Hello, John Palazinski with GUDE Systems here at InfoComm 2026. I want to introduce you to the 8291, our game changer. It's our AC/DC smart PDU box. This is won several awards this year for best installation product. You can take this and get rid of your wall warts and wire directly into our PDU. You can choose between 12 and 24 volts. But I can still manage and monitor and switch and sequence each port individually. And then you can also do 5 volts, and then we also have our AC. So you can do 21 total components attached to our box. If you want more information on this box, you can go to GUDEamerica.com and you can ask and find out information about all of our other products. Thank you very much, and come see us at the booth.